Kitty, you're so witty and oh so pretty. You roll onto your belly, and I love your cat drool, even though it is smelly. You came into my house, but you have not yet caught a mouse. I'm waiting for you to show your stripes and prove to me you are worthy of that humongous appetite. Oh Kitty, be my friend, don't scratch me again and again. Oh Kitty, I love you so. Please